In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add toggle in fields in Framer. A toggle field in Framer's CMS is a simple on-off switch you can use for things like marking an article as featured, controlling visibility, or enabling special layouts. It stores a true or false value, which makes it perfect for quick filters and conditional designs. Start by opening your project in Framer. From the main interface, head over to the CMS panel. This is where your content collections live, and it's where we'll add the new field. Inside CMS, locate the collection you want to update. In this example, it's the Articles collection. Then open it so you can work with its fields and items. Next, add a new field and choose the toggle type. If you see a highlighted prompt or field picker, that's your cue to confirm the field type. You'll typically be asked for a field name and may see options for a default value. Set the default to Yes if you want new items to start enabled, or choose No if you prefer them off by default. If you're managing a featured flag, starting with No is often safer, so only items you explicitly switch on will be featured. Confirm the selection in each highlighted step the interface presents. If you're prompted to switch between Yes and No, click to preview how the state looks, and then finalize your choice. You may also see a live view indicator. Use that to confirm how your changes will behave in your published site. With the field created, find it in the list. Say it's named Featured, and click Edit Field. Here you can refine the label, add a short description to guide teammates, and make sure the name is clear and consistent. Keep names concise, like Featured or Is Featured, so filters and bindings are easy later. Type in the description or label as needed, then save. Now return to your articles items and use the new toggle on one or more entries. Click the highlighted controls to switch an item to Yes when you want it active, or back to No to turn it off. This is great for testing how your site responds, especially if you're filtering a list to show only items with the toggle set to Yes. When everything looks good, publish your changes. Publishing moves your updated schema and item states live, so your site reflects the new toggle behavior. If something doesn't look right, you can always come back, adjust the field